Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to turn off SOS on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If it's appear here SOS or insert SIM or no SIM card, so let me tell you that all these error are same. Okay guys, so SOS will appear on your new device. If you turn on your new device without SIM, it's showing here SOS. Okay guys, if you have iPhone 13, 12, 11, then maybe it's showing here insert SIM or no SIM card. So you have to put your SIM card in your iPhone, and after that it will disappear. And if you have iPhone 14 and it's showing SOS here, then you have to put eSIM in your iPhone 14, and after that it will disappear from your phone. And if you want to turn off emergency SOS, then what you need to do is just simply open setting, and then you have to locate for emergency SOS, and then you have to turn the toggle off for this. Okay guys, and after that SOS will be turned off. So that's all guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.